How can you write the answer for the question? Question. Analyze the process of traversing a two-dimensional array using nested loops. Explain the steps involved and implement a C program to display the elements row by row, highlighting the significance of indexing. Answer. Two-dimensional array in C is a data structure that stores elements in a tabular format, organized into rows and columns. Each element is accessed using two indices, one for the row and one for the column. It is essentially an array of arrays. The declaration syntax is data type array name bracket row size bracket column size bracket semicolon, where data type specifies the type of elements, array name is the array's name, and row size and column size define its size. For example, integer matrix bracket 3 bracket 4 bracket declares a 2D array with 3 rows and 4 columns. To access each element in a two-dimensional array in C, you use two indices. The first index specifies the row, and the second index specifies the column. You can iterate through the array using nested loops, where the outer loop traverses the rows and the inner loop traverses the columns. For example, to access each element in a 2D array matrix of 3, 4, the outer loop runs through the rows from 0 to 2, and for each row, the inner loop runs through the columns from 0 to 3. Example, int matrix 3, 4 equals opening braces 1, 2, 3, 4 closing braces, opening braces 5, 6, 7, 8 closing braces, opening braces 9, 10, 11, 12 closing braces, for row equals 0 semicolon row less than 3 semicolon row plus opening braces, for kernel equals 0 semicolon kernel less than 4 semicolon kernel plus opening braces, print %d matrix of row co closing braces, print /n move to the next line after each row, closing brace. Traversing a two-dimensional array means visiting each element systematically. This is done using nested loops, where the outer loop iterates over the rows and the inner loop iterates over the columns. To traverse a two-dimensional array in C, you use nested loops. The outer loop iterates through each row of the array, starting from the first row to the last. For each row, the inner loop iterates through the columns, accessing each element in that row. During every iteration of the inner loop, the current element is accessed using its indices in the format array of row kernel. After completing one row, the program moves to the next row. This process continues until all rows and columns are visited, systematically accessing every element in the array. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.